What's the meaning of consequently? Consequently. Consequently.
Consequently. Consequently. Consequently is an adverb that is used to indicate that an action or event is a direct result of another preceding action or event. It is often used when describing cause and effect relationships. For example, if it rains heavily, consequently, the streets may flood. The word consequently implies that the flooding occurred as a direct result of the heavy rain. Therefore, it can be understood that consequently is used to show the logical conclusion of a particular event or situation that occurred.